How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the RadiantReef channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SINE cross-flow pump, the SCP-90 model by Jebao. So if we take a look, we'll see what we've got in the box here. Here's the main gyre style pump here. Let's see. And then we have the controller, which has a bunch of different modes. The controlling of the speed. You can switch between the different modes here. You have the wave 1, wave 2, so you have more of like a pulse, and then a smooth wave. You have a random mode, a constant, and then you can actually put it between two pumps here, going back and forth. This is the magnet that goes on the outside of the tank to hold the pump on. It's very strong, well made. Though it is made in China, but seems to be pretty decent quality. And then the power cord. So now let's go install it on the tank and play with all the settings. So all these tests are on half power because full power will get the water rocking almost out of the tank here. So as you can see, the first application is the pulse wave. So it'll spin and stop and spin and stop. And then when we click to the application 2, which is wave 2, it's more of a rolling wave. It's smoother. It doesn't pulse. It goes in and out of the wave smoothly and does not stop spinning. It continues to spin the whole time, just spins a little bit slower and then a little bit faster. Next is application number 3, which is else, which is essentially just a random mode. It'll cycle through all the different, constant, pulse, more of a smooth wave. So it'll go through all the different cycles, which in a couple seconds here isn't really enough to see the full thing. You'd have to watch a couple minute video maybe of it to really grasp the full effect of it, but you can see it pretty decently here. Just changes things up a little bit. And then the next one is H, which is just a constant mode. I don't know what the H stands for, but it's just half power, just full blast. And then the final one is going to be C, which I think C should stand for constant instead of the H, but C is actually going to be if you have 2 pumps, so you can get one going, then the other going, so they throw it back and forth. So, it works okay here, definitely makes some waves, but it would 100% work better with 2 pumps, so then it goes back and forth, and you can then control it from there. So like you can see, there's a bunch of different applications that you can choose to use on here, and then you can adjust the speed, you can adjust the power of the wave, how hard it pushes, if it's a little bit of a smoother wave, a little bit of a stronger wave. So the dial on the controller turns from slow to fast. So right here I have it on the wave 2 mode, a little bit more of a rolling wave, and I have it about 3/4 of the way turned towards fast. So it's about 75 to 80% towards the fast side. And as you can see, makes a really nice rolling wave, gets the water on the top moving, still gets lots of flow throughout. And then I also have the Nero 3 on the other side, constantly pushing water, but it definitely gets the whole tank moving. The corals are loving it, I'm loving it. Gyre pump is definitely the way to go. I'll be having these in all my tanks in the future. Quick clip at the end here, guys, something I thought was really cool. I was able to get my blue star leopard wrasse to eat pellets, which is really cool. It's only been a few weeks that I've had them, and she's doing great. So that's something that's awesome. Also, unfortunately, the golden rabbitfish that I had in the previous video didn't make it, so I did get a replacement for him, which is the orange spot rabbitfish. Super cool, about a turquoise, silvery, metallic looking backing with bright orange spots and those blue eyes signature to the rabbitfish. So quick update there for you. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, I'll see you next time on the Radiant Reef channel.